Hello friends, welcome to Align Pattern. Today we will continue with some top questions and answer segment on computer architecture and organization, which we also covered in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, I will provide you link in the description box. Check once because all the questions are extremely important. Okay, so our first question asked in SBI PO 2009, which is a special register that holds the address of the location to or from which data are to be transferred is known as. Answer is memory address register. A memory address register holds the address of location to or from which data are to be transferred. In simple term, we can say memory address register is used to access data and instructions from memory during the execution phase of the instruction. Question number 2. Which of the following is not the component of CPU? A. Register, B. Control unit, C. Storage unit, D. Arithmetic and logic unit. Answer is C. Storage unit. Storage unit is not the part of any central processing unit. Okay, actually a storage unit is a part of computer system which is employed to store the information and instruction to be processed. It is not the component of CPU system. Question number 3. Which of the following is used to overcome the difference in data transfer speed of various devices? A. Speed enhancing circuitry, B. bridge circuit, C. Multiple buses, D. Buffer register. And the answer is D. Buffer register. By using the buffer register, the processor sends the data to the input-output device at the processor speed and the data gets stored in the buffer. After that, data gets sent to or from the buffer to the devices at the device speed. Question number 4. The CPU is an example of A. Peripheral, B. An output unit, C. Software, D. Hardware. And the answer is D. Hardware. The CPU, that is central processing unit, is the part of computer system that is commonly referred to as the brain of a computer, and it is responsible for executing a sequence of stored instruction called a program. This program will take inputs from an input device, process the input in some way, and output the results through an output device. Question number 5, which is asked in IBPS PO 2012 and Allahabad Bank. A group of wires running parallel to each other in between two connected computer parts and which transfer the information. It's called. Answer is bus. In computer architecture, a bus is a communication system that transfers the data between components inside a computer. Or between the computers. In simple term, we can say for connecting the internal components of the computer, bus plays an important role. The bus architecture is consists of three structures which contains about 50 to 100 distinct lines where each line is meant for a particular function. Okay, if we categorize these lines into function, then it would be data lines, address lines and control lines. Data lines are collectively called as the data bus. The number of lines present in the data bus defines the width of that data bus. A data bus may have 32 lines, 64 lines, 128 lines or even more lines. Each data line is able to transfer only one bit at a time. So the number of data lines in a data bus determines how many bits it can transfer at the time. The address lines of the bus determine the source or destination of the data present on that data bus. The number of address lines in the address bus determines its width. The width of this address bus determines its memory capacity of that system, and the control signal placed on the control lines controls the use and access to address and data lines of the bus. Okay, based on this question, next question is asked in PNB clerk, which is the collection of wires that connect several devices. It's called. And again our answer is bus. The collection of wires that connect the several devices is called as the bus. Question number 7. The read-write lines belongs to A. Address bus, B. Control bus, C. Data bus, D. CPU bus. Answer is B. Control bus. Control bus belongs to read or write operation. Control bus or lines actually responsible for memory read-write, input-output read-write, and for transfer the acknowledgement, that is it indicates the data has been received from the data bus or is placed over the data bus. Question number 8. Instructions and memory addresses are represented by. Answer is binary code. Binary code represent the instructions and memory addresses. Binary code used in digital computers based on a binary number system in which there are only two possible states, off and on, and these states are represented by 0 and 1. We all know that, right? If you haven't watched our logic gates video, then here it is in I button. Go and check for better understanding of this concept. Okay. Then our next question is asking IBPS Clerk 2011. So let's concentrate. Question number 9 is the instruction code used in machine assembly language which specifies the basic operation of the CPU is A. Machine code, B. Instruction code, C. Opcode, D. All of these. And the answer is C. Opcode. Actually, the opcode is the abbreviated from operation code, which is also known as the instruction machine code, instruction syllable, instruction parcel, or op string. Is actually the portion of machine language instruction that specifies the operation to be performed. As the example are add memory location A to memory location B, or store the number 7 in memory location C. Actually here add and store are the opcodes in these examples. Got it? Question number 10. The microprocessor is made up of millions of die dash. Answer is transistor. The microprocessor is made up of millions of transistors. We all know microprocessor is an integrated complex circuit, and because of their extremely complex structure, their manufacture required the precise technique. In 1971, when Intel introduced the first commercial microprocessor, it contained about 2,300 transistors and performed about 60,000 calculations in a single second. And without any doubt, after 25 years later, the microprocessor is the most complex mass-produced product ever, with more than 5.5 million transistors, all either acting as an amplifier, oscillator, or switches. That's why we can say microprocessor is made up of millions of transistors. Then regarding with the same topic, next question is, who invented the microprocessor? Answer is Marcian E. Hoff invented the microprocessor. Marcian Edward Ted Hoff Jr. is one of the inventors of the microprocessor. Next question is asked in IBPS PO 2012 and BOB Clerk 2010. The central processing unit, that is CPU, is A. Contains the electronic circuit that causes the processing to occur. B. Make the information resulting from processing available for use. C. Allow data programs, commands, and user responses to be entered into a computer. And D. Consists of electronic components that store the data. And the answer is A. Contains the electronic circuit that causes processing to occur. Question number 13. On the basis of instruction set, microprocessor can be classified as A. Complex instruction set computer, CISC. B. Reduced instruction set computer, RISC. C. Both A and B. D. Complex instruction set calculator, CISC. Answer is C. Both A and B. On the basis of instruction set, microprocessor can be classified as a complex instruction set computer and reduced instruction set computer. Actually, the microprocessor is classified in three categories: RISC processor, CISC processor, and special processor. RISC processor is stand for Reduced Instruction Set Computer, and it is designed to reduce the execution time by simplifying the instruction set of the computer. CISC processor it stand for the Complex Instruction Set Computer, which is designed to minimize the number of instructions per program, ignoring the number of cycles per instruction. And special processor are designed for some special purposes. For example, math coprocessor, which is the coprocessor, input-output processor, and used to control input-output devices with minimum CPU involvement. Okay. Then the next question, which was asked in SBI PO 2012, which of the following is the sequence of micro instructions? A. Micro instruction, B. Microcode, C. Micro, D. Micro circuit. And the answer is B. Microcode. Microcode is the sequence of micro instructions. Microcode is a layer of hardware level instruction that implement higher level machine code instruction or internal finite state machine sequencing in many digital processing elements. That is, it separates the machine instruction from the underlying electronics so that the instruction can be designed and altered more freely. Question number 15. The flow and timing of data to and from the microprocessor is regulated by. Answer is control pins. The flow and timing of data to and from the microprocessor is regulated by control pins. Okay. Consider the pin diagram of 8085 microprocessor. The pins of 8085 is divided into 7 groups. First one is the address bus, which is from A15 to A8. It carries the most significant 8 bits of memory input-output address. Then AD7 to AD0 which is the data bus, it carries the least significant 8-bit addresses and data bus. RD, WR and ALE are 3 control signals, and 3 status signal is input output memory, S0 and S1. Okay, then VSS and VCC are the power supply. There are 3 clock signals, that is X1, X2 and clock out. Then next is interrupts and externally initiated signal. This signal include INTA, it is an interrupt acknowledgement signal, reset in, reset out, ready, hold and HLDA, that is hold acknowledge. And last is serial input output signal, which includes SID and SOD, and these signals are used for serial communication. Then based on this microprocessor, our next question is, what type of control pins are needed in a microprocessor to regulate traffic on the bus in order to prevent two devices from trying to use it at the same time? And the answer is bus arbitration. Bus arbitration type of control pins are needed in a computer processor to regulate traffic on the bus in order to prevent two devices from trying to use it at the same time. Question number 17, which was asked in Corporation Bank PO 2011, the CPU is also called dash when talking about PCs. Does the vast majority of the processing for a computer? And the answer is microprocessor. The CPU is also called as a microprocessor. When talking about PCs, does the vast majority of the processing for a computer? Question number 18. Interface for electronic circuit is used to interconnect input-output devices to a computer CPU, or A. ALU, B. Memory, C. Buffer, D. Register. And answer is B. Memory. Computer memory is the storage space in the computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored, and electronic circuit interface is used to interconnect input-output device. Question number 19. Which functional component of a computer is responsible for the computing? And the answer is CPU. Next question is asked in IBPS RRB 2014. Which of the following is possible with the open architecture? A. Minimum of 6 new devices to be added to a computer. B. Hot swapping of devices. C. Users to upgrade and add new devices as they come on the market. D. All hardware input and output devices to be located in one efficient box. And the answer is C. Users to upgrade and add new devices as they come on the market. Actually, open architecture is a technology infrastructure with specifications that are public as opposed to proprietary. In other words, closed architecture systems are fully proprietary, where an open architecture CAD CAM system can be integrated with the components manufactured by many outside vendors. Watch Computer Architecture and Organization Set 3 on next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Align Pattern and learn with me.